Guddu, can you put a light? Light boy? I'm a boy, light? I'll give you apple. Go. Can you put a light? I'll give you apple. Right now nothing is there. My hand is empty. My hand is empty. Go and put light. Go. My boy, can you put a light for me, please? Good boy. Guddu. No. What happened? You didn't put light. I don't have apple now. I'll give you. Go. First put light. I'll give you. No, nothing is there. See, my hand is empty. Go and put. I'll give you apple. First put light. Come on, boy. I'll give you. See, right now nothing in my hand. First you put light. I'll give you. Come on, boy. Light, please. Good boy, good boy. I'll give you apple. Okay? I'll do one thing. I'll switch off the light. Stay there, stay there, stay there. Okay. Can you put light now? Come on, Liaz. Guddu. Light boy. Guddu. Next one, not that. Yeah. Good job, Guddu, good job. Come, I'll give you apple. Come. What happened? Come. 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 Okay. Boy, can you switch on again, please? Good job, boy. Good job.